It's really loud because I'm in a truck stop and there's trucks on and so it's loud. We're going into this really cool place with a moving truck on a thingy-majiggy and there's like a thing upstairs that I really wanted to check out, so we're gonna experience that together.
This is the world-class, gigantic, one of 5 world's largest truck stops in America.
America.
Uh-huh.
America.
Yep. Northern America, one of the largest truck stops in
America. That's the truck, everybody.
Isn't that cool? Come on.
Oh, you want it?
That's cool.
It's lime green.
Want to see something really fun?
No, it's inside. Is that a Santa?
See the Santa Claus?
Santa Claus. I can't see it from up here. Don't forget, I'm short. Santa Claus. Okay. Got to see Santa Claus, even though it's not Christmas.
Lots of chrome. All the chrome.
Crow.
Bunches of chrome.
A lot of lights. So it's a store. Down on the bottom of the store. See, the best thing is when you're vlogging and people stare at you like you're crazy, and then you just smile at them, and then they notice that you're staring at them, so they stop.
And you get your whole big
And there's
18-wheeler
another one right there. Very pretty because it's blue and purple, you know.
Let me go wash up. Well, I look like I've been playing with tires or something like that.
Because you were undoing things. Yeah. So now we're gonna go into the ladies' room because we can't go into the men's room because we're not men. And then there's me vlogging with my beautiful phone. Except I look all shitty because I did my hair last minute. I almost dropped my phone. Anyway. Yeah, look at my hair. I literally just like picked it up and was like, hey, I could put it up. But no, that's not. Yeah, okay. Oh, and yeah, other people look at you like you're crazy. And that's one thing, vloggers, you have to get over that fear because like you're not going to be looked at the same because you are also carrying your phone or your camera and people look at you and yeah. So, see you in my next clip.
They sell everything down to a motorcycle.
So that's really cool. There's like hats and there's this really cool old car.
There used to be a milk truck in one day.
It's really pretty. Ooh. You gotta put Jesus in there.
I think it's too big. Yeah, it's too big.
And this shows shoes. I'm gonna stand next to my goodest friend.
It is 7 1/4. It's a small.
Shorty,
Oh.
are we both in the shot?
Yes, you are. What's the name?
My uncle. I mean,
It's 6 3/4 there also. Oh Lord, Smokey and the Bandit. Get along it. Classic. Super classic.
it's really nice. We got some glasses. Ooh.
Sure, let's see.
There's sizes. I don't know. But that one's all fuzzy.
Come on, let's see what you look like. Oh, really? fuzzy one's better.
I know, guys, but
I don't know. Nah.
hold on. I need to go in the mirror so I can see if I'm. There it is. My outfit, people. What? No, don't do that. Had like a.
Huh? Could be when people get thrown out.
Look at that. So pretty. It's gorgeous.
Really? Slingshot ammo? Wooden beads?
Duh.
They're insane. Oh, I'd hurt somebody with this.
Yeah, that's one thing you want to see on my vlog so I get age restricted.
I know, right? We could really tag somebody with a freaking.
Oh,
Oh, look at all the.
this is totally not creepy. They need to update on the baby doll things. Those are so fluffy.
Aren't they? The plushies.
When you go to Scooby-Doo,
Oh wow, check this out.
Star Wars. Oh my God! If
Oh my
Lily was
God,
still
Lily
a
would have a
baby,
fit.
oh yeah. Lily's my little niece. She's on my other channel, I think, once or twice. I'll show her on this channel when we're doing something cool. Ooh, coffee. Again, we still need to go to Starbucks
Yeah, I'm
someday.
About 3 of them. More.
3 m.
Yeah. At least look at that. Old-fashioned dollhouse.
Old fashioned.
It's all handcrafted. Look, see? I would say it's all handcrafted. It's all real.
You guys can see me in the reflection of glass. That's so crazy.
No way.
What?
Assault gun?
Nerf? Oh,
No, this is an assault gun.
cute. Of course, ladies go to the jewelry. That one right there. Arrows. Or that one. So cute. I want like everything.
Really? How much is this toy?
Look at
Oh,
that.
you drop it in water. And
You drop
all
it
of a
in
sudden
water
you
and
get
then
a-
it cracks.
You get one of these out.
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy?
Yep, it's crazy. When you look at yourself in the mirror, I don't look at the camera. I'm sorry. I don't look at you guys much. I look around, and then you guys see my reaction. I was gonna do another channel, or Haley's reactions, but I feel like it's too close to like reaction times or Blame It on Michael or like other actual like reaction YouTubers. So, ooh. When you don't see your name, you'd be like,
Oh, look.
Diane, but my name's Haley. And they spelled it right.
They did. I-L-E-Y.
Diane and Haley.
Over down.
Diane. So, 2 Haleys. Except this one's spelled wrong. Well, to me, because mine has an I.
Did I spell yours L-E-Y? Now you got me curious.
I know, it's H-A-I-L-E-Y, not...
Yeah, that's
That
what
one.
I'm curious to see. What I do.
Ooh, there's like these buttons. I'll be opening it. I didn't open that. Really pretty. But you think you spelled my name wrong?
I did. I forgot to put the E right before the fucking Y.
Oh, it's so pretty. This is even more prettier.